Good morning, everybody. I'm back. It's been a while since I made a long form video, but it's gonna be a very important day. I just came back from a trip, hanging out with my girl. Everything was great, and today we're really gonna talk about everything that's going on in the market, the trades I've made, everything I've been posting on TikTok. I started posting on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, just to be able to put my content out. But um, I'm gonna break down everything that's going on, stocks I'm buying, and the amazing things that's gonna happen in the next couple months. And yeah, so as we know, S&P 500, when the tariff thing happened in April, we went like this and we went all the way down. Okay, we went all the way down, and now we made a V-shaped recovery. So we're all the way back up to the same spot where we were before, and we broke it as well. So everything, all your stocks should have been pumping last week. If they weren't pumping, you're probably not in the right stocks. Okay, that's one thing for sure. But very critical things are happening lately because I did think the market was getting toppy. So I did some at Rocket Labs last week. I made really good profit on like 4 or 5x it. I 4 or 5x my money on it. I sold at $38, and now I'm trying to find an entry at $30. Okay. Now the most important thing that I'm talking about here is Tesla. So as you guys know, Tesla is the big part of my position. I have my portfolio on Blossom. I'm gonna post it here if you guys would like. I'll probably make a video tomorrow about it. But with Tesla, Elon Musk and Donald Trump are back at it again with the news and everything, and how basically they're removing subsidies for electric vehicles, and Tesla is basically runs on subsidies technically, right? Because when the government provides a subsidy on Tesla, people want to buy that incentive, right? Helps them buy the car at a cheaper price, and which helps Tesla. Tesla sales, revenue, good stuff, everything that goes good, right? Now, the great thing about this is for America or Doge, it does reduce debt. But the bad thing about it is as a shareholder of Tesla, is that basically will kind of suppress the price because people will be like, oh, it's not really good. And the things that have been going on with Tesla in the last couple of months has been really hard. Okay, we did see that run up in last year in December around, went from $300 to 500 around $600. It almost doubled, right? It was in the same price for the last 2 3 years, and this thing almost doubled, right? Now we're back at the same price again, $300, and it is gonna be a hard ride for people who are in the stock, but the future does not change. Okay, maybe the electric vehicle section, but remember, I always say this, right? 10% of their company is energy, and now energy is a very big source of AI and infrastructure that's gonna happen. Data centers run on energy. AI runs on energy. I talked about this on my last short or my last TikTok. I said literally 130 houses to power in a year is costed. Yeah, so just to train ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 3, one model, okay, it costs around 130 houses annually. So every year for 130 houses, it's equivalent to training an AI, and that's only one model. So imagine ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 5. It costs more and more and more. And also remember Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, all these different AIs. It's like it's a lot of energy, and that's the good thing about Tesla is that they're going into energy now, right? So on top of that, we have robotics coming out. We have a lot of robotaxi coming out already. It's already launched, which is great for Tesla. Now, the CEO to Elon, all the stuff that's going on. One thing that does concern me is that how are they gonna be able to get away from this Trump feud and be able to just get back on their feet and get in the get in a good political view and in the eyes of the public, the general public, not the people who like Tesla, not the people on X, but the general public, like there's a normal person on the street. If you ask them about Tesla, a couple years before and a couple years and now, they probably like it more before. So that's the one that is concerning, but the future of how they will be needed. It's not about getting liked, it's about being needed in the future. So that keeps me bullish on the stock. And yeah, personally, I do feel tomorrow morning, if you guys are watching this on July 1st, tomorrow morning on July 2nd, they will be releasing their EV vehicles and their sales. So if sales are down, I could see that stock dumping 5%. We might get a dip at 290. Okay. And yeah, that's one thing I'm going to show you, right? Just wait until you buy if you're planning to buy. Maybe I'll try to buy some. But now we shall go to the stocks I'm buying. Okay. So today, Oscar Health. I talked about the stock a couple months ago, right? I literally put it on my spreadsheet. Go check it right now. I literally put Oscar on my spreadsheet. Okay, we made money on that. It went from $13 to $18. I sold, and it ran up to 22. Now Oscar today, okay, it's been pumping on X. Now Oscar went down from 22 to 17, and it got bought right back up. Okay, and that's the beauty of the stock. When you know it gets bought right back up, it means that there is huge potential for this thing to run. Okay. Obviously it's a stock that I would be buying, but I was looking at 17 bucks. But all my money right now is in Big Bear AI, and that's another stock I'm buying. Okay, so I'm not buying it. I already bought. I bought it at six. I bought it around $4, sold it at 6, and now I'm back in at 6.50. Yesterday it went to $7.20, and now I'm back to $6.50. Okay, so the great thing about Big Bear AI is that I think it could definitely run to $10. Okay, it's a stock that runs really fast. It's 2 billion market cap. Um, maybe I should be starting showing. Maybe I should start showing some visuals in these videos. You know, I like talking to the camera, but I think that me showing visuals might help the viewer or might help you. Comment down that below. Um, but yeah, I'm talking really fast. I need to be able to get my thoughts out to be able to show you guys what I'm thinking and to be able for you if visuals help you guys go through the video and understand what the stocks and why I'm buying these stocks, then I can let you know. But now one thing we are gonna go about is that with Big Bear, Palantir, all these defense stocks, right? The Golden Dome is happening. So if you guys know what the Golden Dome is, just do a quick search about it. It's just a big bill that's gonna happen for the whole of North America or America, maybe Canada, to have a dome for missiles or whatever. And that bill would basically verify that the defense budget will go up. So Big Bear AI is a defense stock, okay? But you basically a defense stock used in airports, used in the Pentagon, used in all these different companies, okay? It's for facial recognition, used for a bunch of things. Now, the beautiful thing about it, it's a small market cap. These things run really fast, okay? So with small cap stocks under 10 billion, 10 billion market cap. So look at market cap. Under 10 billion market cap, these things can run really fast because they're impacted the most by these defense budgets, okay? For example, Palantir, that can move really fast. Now, Lockheed might go up 10%, 20%, but when we talk about things like Big Bear or any other defense stock, small cap defense stock, like even Red Cat Holdings, where they do drones and stuff, these things will be able to run really, really fast. Now, I can't even imagine if Anduril was in the public stock market. Imagine how that could run. So yeah, the stocks that I'm buying are Big Bear AI, okay? Oscar Health is a really good one, and Solana 2X ETF. So if you guys are really into Solana and crypto, Solana already just launched a 2X crypto fund, and I'm really looking into that. So yeah, those are the three things I'm buying right now. Maybe even Tesla I might buy. What else? Those are the four that I really like for high growth. But check out my next video tomorrow. I'm gonna be posting about uh, the best defense stocks, or like not like defensive stocks to the market. So like Target, Pepsi, Nike. These stocks have not had their turn to go off yet, and this is one thing I'm gonna tell you guys is it's gonna be a very informative video. So watch it. I'm gonna have charts up for the S&P 500, and it's free to download. I'm gonna put it in my link in the description. Just download the chart. And I think that my theory is that we do have room to run to the S&P 500, and then we're gonna drop a little bit lower because we've had a really good run in the last 2-3 months. So yeah, one thing I did realize is that whenever we do move fast, we move equivalently to the downside. So remember the tariffs, when we moved really down fast, we moved up fast the same way. So that's one thing to keep in mind, is that these things are very, very important, that when stocks move down really fast, they come back up really fast as well. So as all things happen, um, sometimes if it goes gradually down, it takes gradually to go back up, right? Uh, but all in all, I think that right now the market's been pumping. We're making a lot of good money. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.